everyone! It's just Paula and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday was the beginning of Chuseok here in Korea. Chuseok means Korean Thanksgiving Day or Hankawi. To Koreans, Chuseok is a festivity to celebrate good harvest and abundance. While to expats and foreigners like me, it means a long holiday! Woo! Usually, I go back home to the Philippines during Chuseok, but because of the pandemic situation here in Korea, we just decided to stay here in Seoul. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to make japchae. Japchae is a Korean dish made with glass noodles and mixed vegetables, and normally served as one of the side dishes in Korean restaurant. It's also one of the most common local side dishes served during Chuseok. Although making japchae is very time-consuming, it's very easy to do it by yourself, and it's going to be worth it when it's done. So these are all the ingredients that you need for cooking japchae. First, spinach, and then onions, sesame oil, bell peppers. Usually Koreans, they only use red bell pepper, but I use yellow as well to add more color in the dish. We will also be needing carrots, sugar, salt, soy sauce, pepper, garlic powder or minced garlic, shiitake mushrooms, green onions or onion leeks, eggs, sesame seeds, and the glass noodles or dangmyeon. Now that I've mentioned all the ingredients, let's start cooking! The first step is to soak the shiitake mushrooms for about 2 to 3 hours. If you don't have them, you can also use black mushrooms or any kind as an alternative. Then, dry them. The next step is to cut white onion, green onion, carrots, bell peppers into strips. Add oil to a frying pan. Stir-fry white onions, bell peppers, and carrots separately for 3 to 4 minutes and add a pinch of salt. Then, set aside in a large mixing bowl. Boil water in a saucepan and add the spinach. They can cook easily, so just turn off the heat after 5 minutes as it will continue to cook. When it's done cooking, put the spinach in a cold water. Squeeze out the liquid from it and chop it into 2 inches. Mix the spinach with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder or minced garlic and sesame oil, soy sauce, and sesame seeds. Make sure to mix them well and then add this mixture to the vegetable strips. Then put water in a pan and let it boil. While waiting for the water to boil, stir-fry the shiitake mushrooms for 2 to 3 minutes and add a pinch of salt. Then, add the green onions and fry for another 2 minutes. When cooked, set aside with the vegetable strips. In a big frying pan, add enough oil to cover the whole pan and put the beaten egg mixture to fry. Then, flip over and cook the other side of the egg. Try not to break the circle egg. When it's cooked, let it cool, and then roll the egg and cut into strips. Now that the water is boiled, add the glass noodles and cook for 7 to 10 minutes. When it's cooked, drain the noodles and rinse in a cold water. You may also roughly cut the noodles if you prefer to eat shorter noodles. In the same large pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, add
3 to 4 teaspoons of soy sauce and 3 teaspoons of water. Then add the cooked glass noodles and mix them together. Then on a separate frying pan, fry the mixed glass noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is important to fry the noodles to another pan so that they would not get burned easily. After frying the mixed glass noodles, add all the cooked vegetable mixture. In a large bowl with everything set aside and mixed, add another 1/2 cup of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and mix them all together. And since I love sesame seeds, I'm adding them a lot more. And again, mix, mix, mix! When everything is mixed well, the last step is to top it with the egg strips. And voila! That's it! You have made your own japchae. Share it and enjoy eating!
So that's how it's done, guys. It's the easiest way I can show you on how to cook japchae. Japchae can also be very spicy or little spicy, and you can also add meat like chicken, pork, or beef, but I just prefer putting vegetables in my noodles. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe wherever you are. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye!